Let's see the fourth sum. A cuboid is of dimension 60 cm into 54 cm and 30 cm. How many small cubes with size 6 cm can be placed in the given cuboid? So here we can take 60 cm as length and one of the dimension as the breadth and one as a height. So here volume of cuboid, length into breadth into height, cubic units. So multiply, length is 60 into 54 into 30. So cubic centimeters. So answer is 97,200 cubic centimeters. So here volume of cuboid is 97,200 cubic centimeters. So let us find the volume of cube. So here it is given length of the cube is 6 centimeters. So volume is length into length into length cubic units. So here you can take it as 6 into 6 into 6 cubic centimeters. So which is equal to 260 cubic centimeters. We can find the number of cubes that can be placed in a cuboid, dividing volume of cuboid by volume of cube. So here volume of cuboid is 97,200 cubic centimeters and volume of cube is 216 cubic centimeters. So when we divide this, it works out to be 450 cubes. Let's solve fifth sum. Find the height of the cylinder whose volume is 1.54 cubic meters and diameter of the base is 140 centimeters. Here we have to note that volume is given in cubic meters and diameter is given in centimeters. So first we need to find the area of base. So area of base is nothing but area of circle. So let us mention what is given. Volume of cylinder is 1.54 cubic meters and given is diameter is equal to 140 centimeters. So here we have to find the area of the base, nothing but area of the circle. So first to find the area of the circle, we need radius. So using the diameter, we shall find the radius. Radius is half of diameter. So here 1/2 into 140, that is 70 centimeters. Then we'll find the area of the base. Area of base is equal to pi r square units, that is value of pi is 22/7, r square is 70 square centimeters. So here we can write it as 22/7 into 70 square centimeters. So we'll do the cancellation. 7 ones are 7 tens are. So here we get area of base is equal to this multiplication gives us 15,400 square centimeters. But here area is in square centimeters and volume is given in cubic meters. So here we have to do conversion, that is square centimeter has to be converted into square meters. So here 1 square meter is equal to 100 centimeter into 100 centimeter, which gives us 10,000 square centimeters. Therefore 15,400 square centimeter is equal to 15,400 divided by 10,000. So here 154 divided by 100, which is equal to 1.54 square meters. Now we have to find the height of a given cylinder. Write the volume of the cylinder formula. Volume of cylinder is equal to area of base into height cubic units. So here area of base, here we got volume is 1.54 cubic meters. So area of base is also 1.54 square meters into height cubic meters. So here height is equal to 1.54 divided by 1.54. So after cancellation you get 1 meter as height of cylinder.